Hi, Mr. Moses. This is Todd Shea from My Plumber Heating and Cooling. Yes, sir. I was calling you real quick. Do you have a second? Great. So I wanted to give you a call. We had a furnace source contest that you entered in. Yes, sir. Yeah, yes. Well, I was calling you with good news. You are the grand prize winner for our furnace source contest for 2014.
Hi, how you doing? My name is Kane. I work for My Plumber, and I just loaded up another furnace to deliver for another winner of the Furnace Source contest that we have been running for the last few years.
This could not have come at a better time because my wife had a major heart attack, and so she's being treated. She had a couple of stents, several stents put in. So between the bills and all that, it's awesome because in this day and age, everyone's looking out for themselves. Very few people go out of their way to help others. And so this just tells us that your company is just simply so fantastic. It's a huge service. Quite frankly, I almost passed out. I was so happy. It was like, I really couldn't believe it, you know. Is this for real? And it was just fantastic. I ran screaming to my wife, hey, we got it, we got it. So thank you so much. And your first visit was awesome.
Thank you. Come on in, yes.
Thank you.
How you have?
Very good. Thanks.
When I called in for the service maintenance schedule appointment, one of your representatives could hear my distress because the furnace was broken, it was cold, it was snowing. And he very nicely said, it's okay. If you've got an older furnace, you can get a brand new one. Just enter our contest. I was so happy. I was so excited. So I thought, oh, sure, I never win anything. So I thought, well, this would be wonderful. It's for the house. It's very expensive and it's a needed item. So I said, sure. And so you all came out, took pictures, verified everything. And I can't believe it, a few weeks later, you won. I won a furnace, I won a furnace. I don't win anything. So to win something like this, truly, it's really, really wonderful. It's very, very exciting. You gave us all the explanations, you gave us all of our options, showed us what you were gonna do, how you were gonna do it, so there were no surprises. And I think that that was really wonderful too. You pretty much saved us from a year of rebudgeting. And for us, that's a big deal. And you know, you're not just burdening yourselves, you sometimes have to burden family. And now we don't. So it is a double relief, and everyone is just so excited and happy because that's a big deal. It's a very, very big deal.
Plumbing, heating, AC, it's you. I mean, look what you've done. So grateful, so thank you.
We often give throughout our life, but when you really truly need something, and then someone is there to be able to help you with that, is truly a blessing. Thank you.
Mr. Moses, thank you so much for having us into your home today and for being a treasured customer of My Plumber Heating and Cooling. On behalf of My Plumber, we have an extended service agreement that will take care of your furnace and your family for 1 year.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Started off
Thank
right.
you.
Keep it going for a long time.
Oh,
thank you
wonderful.
so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's great to see you again.
You guys were extraordinary.
Thank you.
Your company is great. You guys are great.
So are you.
Thank God.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mr. Moses. Have a
I'm
great day.
glad we somehow we found you.
We're one call away, and they're the same day. Call 8664, My Plumber today.
hey, it works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
It
Nah,
works.
just kidding.
Yay!
Here we go.
All right. What a beautiful sound.